Today I'm going to be telling you top 10 worst dogs for kids. Why? Because it's for my passion project in school. Okay, so number 1 is a Rottweiler. Why? I think it's because of all their energy. Number 2, a Siberian Husky. Also because of all of their energy. Number 3, Akatila, or something like that. Number 4, Australian Cattle Dog. Number 5, Siberian Mastiff. Number 6, Bloodhound. Number 7, Border Collie. Number 8, Treeing Walker Conhound. Number 8, Cane Corso. And number 9, Skye Terrier. That's all I wrote down, but I don't see a 10th one, but I guess that's it. So, yeah.